Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Nyan Cat on Dress to Impress. I think I might use this. I'm not sure where I'm going with this first. I'm just going to try to color it the same here. Can't put it in matte, so I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to color it the same as my skin tone, and then color the second one black. This is for the mouth. I'm just going to adjust it first here, scale it down, and then kind of position it. This one's for the mouth. Oops. Like that maybe. And then for the whiskers and nose, we're going to use this in black, and this one is a gray. And then just a little bit like this. And then for the eyes, I'm going to use this in black. And just rotate this first that way. I might have to scale it down more. And then I'm gonna add this too. Scale it down. Just make it a little bit bulkier, and then for the eyes, I'm going to use this too. Scale it down. And I'm also going to position that a little bit better, like here maybe. It looks very weird from the side, so let's just ignore that. Let me see, for the blush, I might use the bear ears here in this peach pink color. And then we're just going to do the lower toggle. And I'm just going to rotate it this way, and I'm going to again scale it down. Position it downwards a little bit. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit more. Like that maybe. And then for the ears, we're going to use this one. Let's see, I might use this one actually. I don't know. Let's see which one I want to use. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use this one. Because it's cuter, I guess, for me. I don't know. And then for the fit, it's a Pop-Tart. So we are just going to use this one in this Pop-Tart color. And pink, and then it's not red, but it's pink. I do not remember what a Pop-Tart looks like. I would open Google right now, but it's fine. I'll just use this color. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Whoops. And then I'm going to use the tail, the kitty tail in that same color. And then the broom as well. We are going to use the walk one. Wait. Let's do sit side. Okay, let's do the sit side one. I'm also going to use that same color. And then lastly, for the rainbow, we're going to do the only cape, whoops, light air in a rainbow pattern. This one. And that is it. This is inspired by TikToker. I don't know how to pronounce their name. It's SSLY, their usernames that. But this is the final result of it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!